8.2, here we go. Now the way I like to think about my inequalities is floor, pointy left, open, right, floor. Now who likes to use floor in here?
Me. All of us.
Okay,
Not really. I love using
okay.
the song.
I want everybody to vote. You're either going to say I use floor or I use something else. Okay, who likes to use floor? Who likes to use something else? Oh, that's a lot of you. Okay, what do you like to use?
My brain.
Okay, that right. Okay, can you explain that?
Well, I just remember.
You just remember. Okay. Anyone else? Yes.
I use if the variable is on the left,
Yes.
then the arrow that the direction the arrow is pointing,
Right.
you draw the arrow in that direction.
Very good. And if the variable's on the right, you just change it, right? See, that's a good method. I like that method. Okay, so let's look at both of them. Now, how many of you do something different than both of those? Anybody? Yeah. So if the variable's getting eaten, then it goes to the right. And that's kind of the same thing as mine. If it's the open side, which is getting eaten, open right. Good. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see. I'm going to do my way first. All right, open circle or closed circle?
Close.
Closed. Why? Because there's a plate down there full of food. All right, now P is less than, so that means it's on the pointy or open? Pointy. So pointy goes left.
Yay.
All right. Now, if you're using the way that Lance said, then we can see that kind of already looks like a left arrow. Okay. And since the variable's on the left, we keep it the same. Right. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try number 2. Okay. Closed circle, open circle.
Close circle.
How do you know?
Because it has a line.
Because it's got the line. Okay. Now I'm going to write the sign big and the letter small. Okay, is it on the pointy or open?
It went to the left.
It's pointy again, right? So pointy means go to the left. Pointy, left, and open, right. Pointy, left, and open, right. Now, if you're using lances, see, that's why I don't like this way, because you have to reverse stuff. So it looks like it's going to the right, but since the variable's on the right side, which is weird for us, then we go the opposite. So I don't know. I don't like that way. But if you get the right answer, that's all I'm happy about. Get the right answer. Okay, I'll stop. Alrighty then. Is this really going to go on YouTube? Be like embarrassing. I'm singing. Alright. Okay, who wants to do number 3? Sean, help us out. Open circle, because there's no plate. Good. Okay, variables on pointy. Pointy goes left. Good job. So we've gone all to the left so far. Left for everything. That's a way big arrow. Okay, let me try this. All of them have been...
Number 6.
Yeah, they have been all to the left so far. To the left. Okay, number 4. Okay, I'm going to do this one quickly. Closed circle or open circle? You're right. Closed circle. And B is on the pointy again, man. Why? Why is it doing this to us? I don't know either. Okay. Closed circle, open circle. Close. Which way is it going? To the left again. OMG.
Number 6, it goes to the right.
Okay, you're thinking that? Okay, let me see. X is on the open, and open goes to the right. So this is, yeah, right.
My hypothesis is correct.
What is that? What Disney is that from?
Which one? Frozen.
That's Frozen
I didn't say that.
for the first time.
Oh Lord, this is good.
Well, I remember I couldn't sing that for like we're gonna get
Copyrighted. We're gonna get copyrighted, guys. Well, in that case,
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Young man. No, don't do that. I really, yeah. Here we go. So you have to write you have to show your work, but the way that this software makes the test is you're going to need to rewrite it because the graph is right underneath. All right, what are we doing on both sides? Minus 10 on both sides. Now, I'm going to use my negatives, which some of you are not doing and not getting half credit and getting the wrong answer. Don't do that. 15 bad guys. N is less than negative 15. If I have time to show my work in a YouTube, then you definitely have time to show your work during the test. Hey, wait a second. Was I supposed to change the inequality sign? No, because I was subtracting on both sides. I was not multiplying or dividing by a negative. So we do not change the inequality here. Be careful. Okay, so negative 15, open circle. And this is on the pointy left again. I need to move that over a little bit. Why is this being weird? Stop being weird, computer. Hey, computer. Stop being weird. Hey. It is, but it's being weird.
You know why?
I don't know why.
I hijacked it.
Alright, here we are. Okay, 8 is less than or equal to x over 4. What do we do on both sides? Multiply by 4. Now, if you do not show your work on both sides, do you get full credit?
Yes.
Absolutely not.
Oh,
Okay.
No, you don't.
Okay. Do we change the inequality sign?
Yes.
All the way. Okay, so no, we do not because we multiplied by a positive. So 32. X is on the open side. Open right. Hey, this one's to the right. Good job. Okay, can I move on?
Yes, you can. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you. Alright, so b minus 8 less than negative 5. What are we doing on both sides? We got to get rid of the 8. Be careful. Sometimes people, they're like getting rid of the wrong thing. You cannot get rid of that negative 5. Alright, I'm going to use my positives and negatives to make sure I don't mess them up.
They won by 3.
Good guys win by 3, yes. Yeah, do we change the sign? No, because we did not multiply or divide by a negative.
You're getting smarter every second.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, I wrote the wrong sign. Good job, Mr. Pass. Thank you, sir.
It's going to the left.
Okay, so close circle on 3. Go to the right. Because it's on the open side. Open always goes to the right. Okay. Any questions? Am I going too fast? Way ahead of me. Okay. 112 less than or equal to negative 8x. Uh-oh. This one's going to be one of those super crazy ones. Why, Caitlin? You have to switch the inequality. Why? You're dividing by negative 8. Excellent job, young lady. So we change that inequality sign, right, to the opposite way around. And then we're careful with our negatives. This is negative 14. Right? There we go. Alright, so negative 14, closed circle. X is on the pointy left. Pointy left. Hey, we could make like a happy face here. I just did. You don't like my happy face?
No, I don't. No, what are you doing?
I'm making eyebrows.
Oh my god.
There's the nose. There's the teeth. Teeth.
You're gonna make me cry.
I'm gonna make you cry. Alright, I'm gonna undo all of my happy face. Okay. Wait, the nose. I missed the nose. All right. Don't worry, it's gone now. It can't hurt you. It's back to the upside down.
Thank you for protecting her.
All right. First step. Distribute, right? D, C.
Oh, that's what that means.
D, C what? What's after D and C?
Why?
Y, S. Right? Dinosaurs chew, cook Yeti stew. Right? Soup. Yeah, don't cut yourself. Right?
No.
Don't cry, you're super. Okay? First thing is distribute. First thing is distribute. So we're going to distribute 72 minus something, 48n, is less than negative 36 plus something. What is that something? You're right. Oops. I ran out of ROOM. Plus 6n. Here we go. Now what? Now we combine like terms, right? But there aren't any, so we can't do that. Now what, everyone? Why your Maillard? Because there's a variable on both sides. Negative 6n. 72. Uh-oh. Both negative, so we add them. Negative 54n. Alright, Superstar CoStar Extra, negative 72 on both sides. Negative 54n is less than negative 108. Hey, I think that's going to be 2, huh? What do we divide by? Divide by negative? Are you serious? What happens? So now we have to change the sign to the other way like that. And is greater than positive 2. Did I do that right?
Yes, sir.
I hope I did. Yes, I did. So I'm going to do open circle here. N is on the open side, right? Open right, open right, open right. Pointy left hand, open right, and pointy left hand, open right, and pointy left hand, open right. All right. May I move on? What do you think? 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 Can I move on? Okay, I'm going to move on. Question? You still get the same answer? Yeah, that's why I did 6n to the left. But you could do 48n to the right if you wanted. You just have to change the sign. All right, first thing, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Distribute. Negative 8, negative 8x is less than or equal to what? Negative 5x and negative 5. All right, there's no combining like terms, so I throw it. Hey, get out of my yard, buddy. Get out of my yard. I know, man. Okay. Negative 8 minus 3x is equal to negative 5. Superstar CoStar Extra. Add 8 on both sides. Negative 3x. Why did I write it equal? It was less than or equal to. Positive 3. See, I'm going to take my time to show my work. Why not? Good guys win by 3. Now what? Divide by negative again? Are you serious? So now we have to change our sign to the other way around. Don't forget. Close sign, close circle. Going to the
Right.
open right. You got it, buddy. Thank you for helping. I think we need to give 10 points to Nathan for all of his help.
What? Yo, what about me?
I know there's other people too. He's being extremely participatory. Now what? Which one do you guys want me to do? I don't want to do all of them.
14. 14.
Okay, we did 13 on the last YouTube video with the other class.
14.
So let's do 14.
Yay!
Why can't we just do all of them?
I don't know, because I don't want to. Okay, so I'm going to distribute first. Distribute first. 6p plus 49 plus something. I don't know. What's 4 times 7? You guys are so smart.
I know I am.
Can you guys help me on my test too? When I'm on my test and I don't know what 4 times 8 is?
I can't do
You
that.
take tests too.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
That's true. You're going to get in trouble with your teacher.
Oh, you are.
But I am your teacher.
Yeah.
That sounds like quite a paradox. P-A-R-A-D-O-X. Paradox. Paradoxical. Actually, it's not. I don't think it's exactly a paradox, but anyway. Alright, so anyways, any questions about that first step?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what? Combined-like terms. Okay, what is it? 6p and 28p, what do we get? 34p. Careful with your additions. Okay, now what? 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 Get out of my yard, man! I don't like the -4 peanuts that it's selling.
Why? That's rude.
I don't know, maybe I'm allergic to them. 38p plus 49 is greater than or equal to -27. Superstar, co-star, extra. Yeah, we get rid of that extra first, don't we? Okay, minus 49 on both sides. 38p is greater than or equal to something. What is that? 76, that's correct. Okay, hey, I think that's going to go in twice. Okay, do we change the inequality sign? Are you sure?
Positive.
Yep, he's right. We keep the sign the same because we're dividing by a positive. -2. Even though there is a negative here in this problem, we're not dividing both sides by a negative. Alright, so let me zoom out and graph it. Okay, -2, closed circle or open circle? Closed. Okay, P is on the open side.
Wait, I thought P was like P. I thought the open side was the -2.
No. Let's look real carefully. P, and then if we write the sign real big, see that? This is the open side, this is the pointy side.
Oh.
See that? Sometimes when you write the sign bigger, it helps.
Yep.
Bye, YouTube.